Hey my pretties, welcome back. So as you can see, we are in the car and I am running some errands. Oh gosh, this thing be acting up. Okay, so yeah, I just left the post office and I got a package I was waiting for, you guys, in here, and it's from a young lady. We'll talk about that after I get home because I'm gonna open this and show you guys what she sent me. So I just dropped a package off at the post office. I am super excited to say that I've started posting again in my Poshmark closet. You guys know I closed my closet when it was time for me to move because I didn't want to have like a bunch of inventory. So I did like this big closet sale and a lot of people purchased my product. So I just recently started back posting items in my Poshmark closet. My closet link is down below in case anybody is interested. I've just been doing a little bit at a time, but every day I'm trying to get something else up on there. So I just had to drop off a sale, which I'm excited by because I really did enjoy selling on Poshmark. I thought it was super cool, it was fun and everything. So yeah, I started that back. And while I was there, since I do have a new P.O. box, I've been told, like I've got emails from people saying, oh, we sent you a letter or a card to my old P.O. box in El Cajon, the one that used to be in my description. That's not my P.O. box anymore. I do have a new one and my information is down below in the description box. So if you have sent me something to my old box, I apologize, I didn't get it. And they didn't forward it to me. I didn't do a forwarding address for my P.O. box. So that's that. Now I'm on my way to Target. I need to get some dog food and some treats. So I ran out. Well, we haven't ran out yet. He probably has like 2 more days worth of food. So I'm like, let me hurry up and get to the store. Last night I took the kids out to eat. And it was Pooh Bear's first time having hibachi. And he was not feeling it. My other kids love it. Pooh Bear, he was okay, but I don't think he was feeling that great. So he wasn't really feeling the whole, you know, the whole atmosphere. It was kind of crowded. And you guys know the hibachi restaurants, you sit at the table and they cook for you and everything, and they, you know, they do it in front of you and everything. And I thought that would just be cool to take them, or to take him, because the other kids have been there multiple times, but I wanted Pooh Bear to experience it. And so he said he liked it, but he just wasn't seeming that enthused. I did take a few clips of, you know, some of them cooking to share with you guys, so I'll probably insert that right about here. hibachi. Like, I love the rice, I love the steak. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I ordered the steak and the chicken because they already give you like shrimp already, so that's what I got. The kids got like the chicken and the fried rice. It was fun. I liked it, but Pooh Bear just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, so I just wanted to touch bases with you guys as far as just me being out and dropping in to say hi or whatnot. So I'm gonna get here, run into this Target, and then when I get home, I'm gonna open this box and show you what she sent me, because I've been waiting for it and I'm excited. Oh, these are cute. $3. Citrus Tango, love you very much. Cute little jars. Okay, so I finally made it to Target. I stopped at Dollar Tree. You guys. Oh, that's a cute purse. Look at that. This one for $39. I like that way that looks. Yeah, I stopped at Dollar Tree. I picked up a couple things, not a whole lot, but I will show you guys that when I get home. Look at that. $35. That's a nice little pattern, and they have this style right here, so you can get either one. Two different styles. They even have that big one down there. Okay, so I'm in here strictly for dog food, nothing else. But we'll see how that goes. Ooh, cute pajama sets. Those are shorts. Where are those by? Stars Above for $21.99. I like that print. Okay, look at this little pullover jacket. It's soft. I like that, and I think I see pants. Okay, it's not the same material, but it does have that stripe down the side. Okay, by Colsey. So I guess it's just like loungewear, but I like that jacket. And I know better than that. I was about to walk away without telling you guys the price. Somebody would have been like, oh, you didn't tell me the price. That's $30 for the jacket. Here's some little bunny banks for $13. That's cute. Have you guys seen these? This is my first time ever seeing these. It's the goldfish crackers, but they say sweet carrot. So they're making them with carrots now. That's kind of cool. And then I also see tomatoes. Cheesy tomato. I bet those are good. And then they have the little cracker in there that's shaped like a little tomato. The carrot one had one that's shaped like a little carrot. I think I'm gonna try these. I think Pooh Bear might like the carrot before the tomato. And they are $1.99. So I'll get this one. And here's a volcano bath bomb. Light candle and float bath bomb. Okay, that sounds cool. New lightable floating candle. And it's a bath bomb. That is so interesting. Okay, and then what is this one? Floating salt crystals. And it's a bath bomb. It's a geode. So relaxing patchouli or energizing lemon. I like that gold one. And these are $5.99. Then I also see some salt scrub for $8.99. It says heats on contact for a sensory experience, and honey and turmeric sugar scrub. Oh, okay. They even have bath soap down there for that same company, and it's by Village Naturals. Get off of there. Stop doing that. Crazy boy. Okay, you guys, so I'm just making it back to the house, and like I said, I stopped at the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a few things, but I'm really excited right now. I just want to get this open so I can show you guys what it is. And it's by the same girl. I ran upstairs and got my shoe, the one that made me these Converse with the pearls on it. You guys remember these? Look at that. So she custom makes products like that, and so she made me something else, and she sent it in this box. So I'm gonna get this open, show you what it is, and then I'll show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's see what she sent. Okay, so I got it open, and oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, focus. There it is. Look, it says Pretty and Flawed. And she likes to bling stuff out. I love that. And I love that it's on this cup. It's like a pearl pink. I am loving it. Loving it. Thank you so much for sending this to me and making it with my name on it. I'll have to use this often. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you guys, I've spoke about her before in the past. Her information will be down below in the description box in case you guys want to custom order anything. She makes all kinds of stuff. Like she even has some cups with some women, like say she took this picture right here, she would bling out the hair, you know, like she just makes all kind of stuff. So you guys make sure you check her out if you like custom stuff. Pooh Bear got this video game on. Turn that down, baby. It's all loud and scary. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. It wasn't much, but I did pick up a couple things. I picked up Pooh Bear these spinning tops. He just brought a spinning top home from school.
Yeah, I got it for Surprise Box.
You got it from Surprise Box Day. So he has a spinning thing that he got from school, and we used to have these from Dollar Tree, but I don't know where they went. So I did just pick up 2 more for me and him to play with. There you go, baby.
I'm going to take this one.
You want the green one? I'll take the pink and blue one. He took his choice. I did pick up this magnet. It says let go and let God right there. Thought that was pretty. What else is in this bag? I got another lighter for my candles. My Himalayan salt lamp, the light bulb blew out, so I needed a light bulb. See, I go to Dollar Tree sometimes for stuff without really showing you guys. I did pick up this set of cups because I think the kids or Pooh Bear can use these or whatever. And it's just the little heart on the front, and they say love all the way around. And you get a set of 6. So I thought that was cool. And then this one just says Happy Valentine's Day. So a set of 6 for $1. Also in this bag, I got these magnetic list pads. I always go through magnetic list pads like a lot. So I always pick these up because I might keep one in the kitchen for my grocery list, one next to my desk, one by my nightstand. I just keep these things everywhere. It says brew can do it. I like you a latte at the bottom. Then, ooh, my daughter's standing in front of me making some top ramen. I should have told you to make me a pack. It looked good. Top ramen is good. And then this one, it says hello beautiful in pink, shine bright. And then this one I thought was cute. It says you grow girl, and then it has a picture of some plants on it right there. At the bottom it says you grow girl. The reflection, the light is making it have a glare. And then I did get 3 candles, and these are Old Williamsburg. This one looks like that. It says cherry pie moonshine. There it is, cherry pie moonshine. And when I opened this and smelled it in the store, it smells just like cherries. I cannot wait to try that out. I also got the one that says peach cobbler moonshine. That one smelled, they all smell good. And then this one was caramel apple moonshine. So I just thought that was funny that they came in these little jars like moonshine, and they say moonshine on them. So I just bought those 3 to try out. And yeah, so that was all that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And you know what, I'm gonna show you guys, because I did, after I did my my Valentine's Day stash, and I showed you guys, thank you baby, and I showed you guys what was in my stash. Me and my daughter did start decorating. I'm gonna show you my hutch real quick because I think that one is I think it's finished. Okay, so here's the hutch, and I was gonna just take pictures and show whatever I decorated on Instagram, but I figured since I'm talking to you guys and I'm at home, I'll just show you. So I really just wanted to keep all my regular decor here and just throw in the bits and pieces of Valentine's Day, so I don't have to, you know, rearrange everything when it's over. And so I just placed a certain, you know, some things around the stuff that was already here. I do want to add probably a couple more things on here, small things, but I don't know. So then I put my lips right there. The little treat container, that was up there. and the little cat right there. So see, that's what I mean, like for all other holidays, I don't go all out like I do for Christmas, but I do like to like place little things here and there. So that's the hutch. And then I didn't do a whole lot by the Keurig yet. I just kind of put those cups right there. There's that sign from Dollar Tree, this house runs on love and coffee. I hung that up right there. I just put a little heart thing right here. My new cup that I just bought to go with that little sign from Joann's that says stay rooted. And that is pretty much it right here. And there's the doll that I said I bought specifically to go in the window. So I put her right there. I did put the strawberry drying mat out. My flowers, I ended up putting it in a vase. I put the little love right there. One of those hearts that I showed you guys, he's right there. And this stuff is over here. And a heart is right there. That's my smokeless grill that stays on the counter. So that's in that corner. And I just did a little bit over here. I put my little measuring spoons out because they're the hearts, and yeah. And my towels are up here. I did that one, and then I put the hearts right here. I don't like this light. This light makes me look yellow. Huh? No, it looks, the light is cool. It's just that
when he's running upstairs, it'll dim and come back.
Oh.
Yeah. You just don't see it because you're upstairs.
Okay, yeah. I mean, because it's nice and bright, but through the lens of the camera, it makes me look yellow. That's weird. So that's it, you guys. I am done for today. When I was in Target, I ended up buying 2 bags of Bertolli. Have we bought one of those before?
No.
I don't think we tried the Bertolli pasta. I think I got the pasta Alfredo with chicken and spinach or something like that by Bertolli. So I picked up 2 of those because Pooh Bear earlier, he said he wanted some pasta. So, and normally he don't like pasta. He don't eat spaghetti. He don't eat macaroni and cheese. He does not like pasta. So for him to say, I want some pasta, I went ahead and got that. So I'm going to let him try it and see if he likes it. And I got some garlic bread before I left out of the store. You're going to hurt yourself. Stop doing that. This child. But okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this random video that I do every now and then. And I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. And I'll talk to you real soon. I need to go upstairs and take some more pictures of some stuff for Poshmark. That's after I cook, that's what I plan on doing. So I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Bye. Say it. I know you want to. You distracted. He was about to say hi. He's smiling so big. He was going to say bye, but he didn't say bye, honey.
Bye.
Bye.